So for me, circuitry started as a hobby. I was making drone oscillators and little noise makers and sequencers and selling them on Etsy for people made to order. And it ended up really picking up and turned into a big thing for me. And I was sitting down and making these things every single day. And I started to realize that musicians start to click over effects a lot. And I'm a musician, I use effects, so I really wanted to make something of my own. I'm Nick Corbo, and I build electronics. So I spent the last 4 months or so trying to make my own model, and at first I started off really, really complicated, and I kept failing and failing and failing. But through the process, I ended up making my own set of guidelines that ended up resulting in my own product. And what happened out of that is the first TRC effects unit, which is the Mouthbreather Fuzz. Mouthbreather is a germanium transistor fuzz pedal with a high-end boost circuit supplemented inside of it. Everything is hand-wired on pad per hole board, and every single pedal is completely hand-painted. We're going to be producing these pedals in small batches, much like a record label produces a 7-inch or an artist produces prints. Once one edition is sold, it will have generated money to fund another edition, and so on and so forth. First edition of pedals is going to be designed by me, just for ease of production, but in the future, once the project gets rolling and starts to feed itself, I want to introduce more artists into the team. If a specific artist prints, paints, or collages a specific series, we split the profits 50-50. The buyer is introduced to new, unique, product-specific art on each of their electronics, and the artist gets to bring their work to a new three-dimensional medium they might not have ever worked with before. Here's a demo video that we've put together for the Mouthbreather Fuzz.